Hi, if you're in the market for an air booster, this is a great asset to have in your home, particularly if you have rooms that are cold or run hot. These work beautifully to help boost your heat or boost your air conditioning coming out of the ducts to heat or cool your rooms. And this air booster actually works really, really well and has some of the best written instructions I have ever had in air boosters. We've owned 3 to this point, and this usually we use them to help cool our rooms on the upstairs. This one is actually downstairs in our dining room, which is particularly cold, and people are always complaining they're cold in here. So I wanted to give this one a try, and to be honest with you, I'm extremely pleased with it, not only with its function, but also with its written instruction. They are very, very good written instructions. So I'll give you a quick primer on how to use it, and if you do decide to get one, read your instructions, and I promise you, you will be really happy that you got it. These are phenomenal to help heat or cool your home and take an extra hot room and make it much more comfortable, or an extra cold room and make it more comfortable. So right here is showing the fan speed, which can be adjusted up or down. I have found that 5 is the best for sleeping, but it will still operate at 1 if you just want to have a little something traveling through your ducts until you feel like you want to boost it for more comfort. But I'm going to put it back on the 10 for demonstration purposes. And then our furnace has just recently kicked off, but it is showing currently that the temperature reading at this duct is 78 degrees. I had it set at 66 to kick on when the furnace kicked on and started reading the temperature. This is the cooling symbol right here, a little snowflake, I guess, and that's currently off. So if you were going to use this for cooling, you would shut the flame off, which is for the heating. And it's 3 buttons. They are so easy to use. And I just wanted to show you the power that comes out of it. So here's my instructions, and they're about 8 to 10 inches above the booster. So you can see how well this blows. It plugs into the wall, and it has ample cord space, which is wonderful. And it also comes with a remote control if you need to use a remote control. I usually just set mine and forget it. So in this case, because it's our dining room and it doesn't get used as often as some of the other rooms, but is very, very cold, I will probably set this on a 7, and it will kick on anytime our furnace kicks on and the temperature rises above 66 degrees. So do I recommend an air booster? I absolutely recommend an air booster. They have made such a difference in the cooling of our upstairs, which in the summer is unbearable. I have had where the air booster has actually made the air in our bedroom cooler than the temperature actually coming out of the air conditioning through our ducts. So hopefully this helps you in wanting to make a decision on whether to own one or not. And I can't recommend them more highly. I think they are the best thing, especially to make your house hotter or cooler. Thanks so much.